Okay, so I want to show you guys how to add additional pages to your presentation. So what we want to do is go ahead and click Add Page here. And then we have a couple of options. We can create a new or we can add from library. So let's look at the library first. So what the library is going to give us, it'll show your custom pages. It'll show you the pages that you have currently on your presentation. And then we have our brokerage pages here. So brokerage pages are going to be a lot of company information or just general information that you want to display for your client. So a good one is like the CBP map. It's going to show a list of or a map of all the offices. So you go ahead and click that and take a look at it. So you can see all the different offices here. Just some good information for your clients to kind of show them. And what we can do, if you want to add this to your presentation, you can click Add and it'll be added in there. Going back, so there's quite a few in here. I'd encourage you to go through and look at the different ones. Let's look at this 2025 listings presentation folder. Some good stuff in here. So we're working on a seller presentation. So let's just select one of these and see what it says. So this is, just kind of giving some information. Selling your home is a big deal. Basically talking about Coldwell Banker, how it can help you. So some good information around the company that you can add in there. So let's add that one. Okay, and going back, so let's look at a few more here. So it's just showing you, some of the things you can do to market your property. So agent promotion, advertising, open house, yard sign. So this you can share with your clients, saying like this is all the things you're going to do for them, kind of give them an idea on how you're going to market their home. So this is a good one. Let's add that one. Okay, so now let's go back to our presentation and look at those pages. So we're going to click the little arrow and under library and go to presentation. So we can see we have our map here. We have that one informational slide and the second one. And what you can do is you can drag these to order them how you would like, move them wherever you would want. Cool. So let's look at creating a custom page or creating a new one. So we're going to go ahead and click create new from add page. And it's going to give us a couple of options again. So we can do an upload PDF or you can build the page from scratch. So let's look at uploading PDFs. A lot of people or a lot of agents want to upload their resume, put that on there as a page. So what we can do is click upload PDF and we're going to choose our resume right here. And then if you want to, you can enable page editing if you're sharing this with other agents to work on it, if you work on a team. And you go ahead and upload. So it looks like it's creating 3 pages. It's breaking the resume out. So there you go, you can see it there. And each page is just kind of, depending on how long your resume is, it's going to add pages for that. You can see how that different. Now if they're blank, obviously you can remove by clicking the X. Take that one out of there. So it's just a 2. And once again, you can place that wherever you would like. Let's keep them together. Whoops. Perfect. All right, so going back over to the next page here. Let's go create new again. And we're going to build a page this time. So it's going to give you a couple options for style, in terms of if you're adding a bunch of different elements to the page. For this one, I'm going to show you guys how to add a YouTube video. So let's click this big one here, hit create. So you can put in, text, images, video under more. I think it just gives us the options of kind of building out, custom body text and headlines and whatnot. So we're going to click the X on that one. Let's go back over to video. So adding a YouTube video is real easy. You'd find the video that you like and copy the URL link. So I'll show you guys real quick. And then go ahead and click add. And from here we can see our YouTube video has been added. And then what you need to do is click save. And we can label this YouTube. And then hit save. And then go ahead and click the X and go back to our presentation. So then we can see that the YouTube video has been added here. And we can go ahead and play it right from the presentation.
Whether you're looking for beachfront living or
Cool. So that is how you add additional pages or custom pages to your presentation.